Hey Charu. You're on mute.
So I think we should wait for a minute or two so that everybody joins, and then maybe we should play a game together.
Yeah, let's give them a minute or two.
Yeah.
We have 2 more minutes to start.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to stretch.
Because we
and
we really have to follow time boxing. So yeah, so it's better that it's good that we got 2 minutes extra, because for the game, once game will start, we really have to follow time boxing. Right.
Hello guys. Hi Charu.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, doing good, and looking forward to have fun with all of you.
Great.
Yeah.
Hi Charu, do we need anything in this game?
Not yet, not as of now. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi Simpson.
Hey.
Hey all.
Hello. So meanwhile, everybody, rest of the people are joining in. If we could switch on our videos so that, at least when I am talking about the rules and all, at least we could be able to see each other. Just trying to make our session more interactive. Yeah, here we go.
So yeah, looks like we have pretty much the room is full. Okay, good morning,
right.
Good evening to everyone, depending on where you're joining from. Thank you for joining on Fun Battle with Charu today. My name is Dolly, and I'll be the host of the session, and will be helping Charu with the game. Before I hand it over to Charu, a few housekeeping rules. Okay, as Charu also mentioned, please keep your cameras on so we can have better engagement and collaboration. Mute your audio when you're not talking. Keep a pencil, notepad if you want to take down notes. And yes, as Deepti mentioned, we are recording this session and it will be made available on FunCount website. For more details on that, you have to be available on the closing note. And if you have any questions or comments, please use Zoom chat and we have other facilitators who will look into it. And since this is a time box session, I'll remind you when we are left with last 15 minutes, last 10 minutes, and last 5 minutes. All right. So at this time, I will hand it over to Charu to introduce herself and also get the game started. Over to you, Charu.
Thank you so much, Dolly, and very warm welcome to all of you. So we'll be having a lot of fun through this game, and the name of the game is Fun Battle. Right? And with us during the session, Dolly will be with us for facilitation and any kind of assistance which we might require. So thank you for joining, and I'll start with the game, and for that I'll share my screen to tell you certain rules, right? There we go. All right, people. So, purpose know how you interpret different Scrum values and Agile values. right? And here is some collection of Scrum values and Agile values, which most of us are already aware, right? So now the aim of the game is to host on this castle, if it to this castle. So this is the aim of the game. And now I would like to share a certain flow that we will be following, right? So Dolly, how many of us are here in this room?
So we have 45.
All right.
So maybe we can just, 45.
All right. So we will split ourselves into 9 rooms, 5 in each room. Now what you have to do is, once Dolly will send us to different rooms, you will be given a secret code for your flag, which will be one of the Scrum values or Agile values, right? Around which you have to find an image, GIF or video clip, and it has to be funny, right? And funniest, most image will be selected, and then we will post that image on the flag and hence on the castle, right? Now, for selecting this page, all of you will be given 5 minutes, right? You have to work as a self-organized team where you have to collaborate with each other and come up with one final image per team, right? And then we will host that image on this main board, right? So I'll give you one demo. All of the rooms contain these board for where you can work, right? So as you can see here, these are the posters, and say you are working for image or video. What you have to do is you have to click this, and you can upload any photo or image, right? Say I'm just giving you a demo so I can use it. Right? Suppose all of you have, working on the image. And now what you have to do is, once you have finalized your image, here is the option, send. And what you have to do is, you have to click Fun Battle. This is our main battleground where we will come again after selecting a final image per team, right? So once you have finalized, you have to send this image to this Fun Battle, right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So any questions that you would like to ask?
So how much per
Yeah. So it will be 6 minutes. 1 will be for the introduction and 5 minutes for looking for the image and coming up with the final image. And since this is time boxed, after 6 minutes, your rooms will get closed and you will be again here in the main room. And your secret code for the flag is mentioned on your boards here. And to come back, so your boards, the link for your boards will be shared in your rooms, respective rooms. Also, when you want to come back, you have to click on this link, and again, you will be back on this main board. And one thing more, do not use any text because you don't want to reveal your secret code. Once we will be back in the main room, we'll proceed with the game. So please try not to use any indicative text that might reveal your secret code for the flag. So any further questions?
I have a question. How it is related to those values and principles?
All right. So when you will be, looking for the image, funny image related to any of the values, you will talk to each other, right? Say you have picked some image, right? And now you will talk to each other or tell your interpretation how that image you think is related to that particular value. So this is the intent that you will be talking to each other, you will be telling, sharing your interpretations with each other of the value while selecting a funny image. So that's the intent behind. Any more questions?
Charu,
All right.
is there any URL to set this whiteboard?
Yeah, once you will be in your rooms, you will be given the URLs for your boards with the
Okay,
secret.
and how will we go to our rooms? I don't know. I didn't get that.
Okay. You will. Go ahead, Charu.
Sorry, I didn't get the question. Last question.
How will I go to the different room?
That they will break
That
out.
we will be, we will be randomly, arranging you in different teams, and each team will be in separate room. Nobody knows what your code is, and that will be done randomly with the help of Zoom.
Okay, all right.
So Charu, there will be room moderators as well?
No, we will be visiting, the facilitators will be visiting in between. So you have to work as a self-organized team. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Charu.
Right. So 1 minute for intro and 5 minutes for the whole activity and coming up with the image, video clip. And if you're selecting a video clip, it should be, not exceed 20 seconds, right? It has to be a small clipping. So are we ready? All right, Dolly, maybe you can split us into 9 rooms and with time boxing of 6 minutes.
Okay. Let me just do it. Okay.
Dolly, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I hear you. All right. So currently, I think we are in room 6.
Room 6. Are you in room 6?
I'm not sure because I got the invite for room 6. I'm not.
Okay, I think it's Dolly. Yeah.
Hey guys, let me give you your link. Give me just a minute. Which room is this?
9.
9.
Okay. There are multiple rooms. Okay, here you go with the room 9. Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, all right then. See you again.
Yeah, Dolly has joined now. Yep.
Hey Dolly, will we get a secret code and the URL?
Yeah. I'm here for the same. Let me just ping it on the chat.
Okay.
Just let me know once you see it. Are we good?
Yeah.
All
yeah,
right.
Get the, and secret code is here also?
You will find it on the link. Okay, just
Okay,
open it and check it. Okay, all the best.
Hi, Dolly.
Hi, Dolly.
Hey guys, sorry, I have to be moving from room to room to give this link. Okay, this is 4.
Oh.
Okay, here you go. Did you see the link?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right then, all the best.
From we 3, do we have more participants in this room?
I don't think we are only 3 people. Yeah, somebody has joined. Deepak.
Okay.
Hey, Dolly.
Hey, Dolly.
You're still on mute now.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, here is the
Yeah.
link for this room. And is it just 2 people here?
Yeah, so that's why we were wondering. You said it's going to be 5.
Yeah. Let me see. Maybe somebody might have left the room already. So this is room number 7. Let me just check that. Okay.
And also there was a secret code which you said
you
would be
will
given, right?
find, yeah, you will find it on the Linoid board. Just open it and then you will find it.
Sorry, where should I find it? On the board?
I have
Oh,
just, yeah.
okay. Yeah,
Great.
okay.
Okay.
Okay,
All
yeah. Thank
right.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I only see a board.
Board. So that's the message. Dolly, good you came here. Put me in room number 5. I'll share the link for them. They are waiting for the link.
All right, I'll lead to room 4 so that flag as well. Commitment, and we still have to vote for funniest flag.
So I think there is a commitment to economy, but then we are lacking in so many things. But then we are still trying to be green, but there is a huge red which is forcing us to go back. So we are committed, but there are so many blockers.
Yeah. Right. Awesome.
Yeah.
So let's
Just
go
5 more minutes left. Sorry to be a party pooper, but we have to conclude the game.
Yeah. So this was room 5, right? Or 4? I'm sorry.
No, that was 5 or 4, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So this is 5 and openness.
Yeah.
And
So this
I
is
think
like
image. Yeah.
Yeah, this is openness, what we thought of representing. It's like you have to be open always, like say if it is a daily scrum or something, you have to be very open about the status, or not to give any surprises or flags at the end of the sprint or end of the day. Okay, the status has to be open and the team has to open, and they should be able to discuss everything, all the issues or dependencies openly. Not only that, coming to any reviews or retro, we have to be very open to receive the feedback, either it is from the stakeholders, PMs, or that even the peer team members. We should be very open to receive the feedback. Unless we have that type of mindset, the team will not grow and the productivity will not excel. That's what we thought. So we have to be always open to receive the feedback and to open up ourselves within the team. Yeah. That's it.
Very well reflected, I must say. All right, guys, I'll just quickly go through each board, and because we have to vote for funniest flag, so let's not explain our interpretation. Let's go through each and every team's flag so that you can vote. So this is 6, and secret code of team 6 was individuals and interactions over process and tools. And here is the image. All right, and then I'm moving to 7. So I think the image on left was finalized because I could see that on the main board. So this is for working software over comprehensive documentation. Yeah, all
This
right.
is great. Yeah,
And
this is
then
great.
we go to 8. Wow. All right, I think this image was finalized, and this was on the upper right corner. Nailed it. And wow, the secret code was responding to change over following a plan. Very well selected, I must say, and very much related to the recent times and the situation we are in currently. Very nice. And then it's 9, and customer collaboration over contract negotiation. So this image was finalized with the team, from the team. All right. So guys, now what you have to do is quickly you have to visit, I'm writing here, menti.com, and you have to there write in a code 96. I am typing it here for you.
Put in chat.
Yeah. Can we put on chat?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So this is the site that you have to visit, and this is the code that you have to enter, and now you have to vote for the funniest flag, team wise, team ABC. I hope you guys would be able to recall because we did it really fast. And my screen is shared. As you can see, we are having votes.
Can you show the images again of all the teams?
Yeah, actually what happened, I couldn't get all the images on the main board. So that's why I was saying it could be difficult for you guys to recall all the images.
Thank you.
In the meantime, if you want to vote for the Dogon, it is Team B.
So the Donald Trump one was which team?
Yeah, maybe you can just
Team H.
if you remember.
Room number 8.
Team H.
Team H.
Room number 8.
Team H.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Team H.
Oh, I thought
Looks like.
it was G.
Yeah.
and here we have clearly a winner, Team H.
Yeah.
We all.
Trump, and yeah. So can we have an applause for every participant?
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Charu, for being here and conducting this game. I know it wasn't, as expected, but we all had fun. Agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks to all the players for coming in and enjoying. And we have 5 minutes break now. And we will meet again. You can look at the program sheet and you can, choose whichever program you want to join again game. Okay, we have 5 minutes.
Can we have a group photo?
Let's do it.
With all of us in the.
It's already taken, but still we will do it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we just, close the screen sharing?
You should have tell us, right?
Close the screen sharing and we will take a pic.
All right, yeah.
I'm just taking attention, please. Please. Great. Okay, taken.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Charu.
Bye.
Yeah, good job, guys. Our team is winner.
Yeah, and Donald Trump cannot lose, right?
Yeah.
Nitin, thank you for bringing the photograph.
Oh, awesome.
We cannot make any argument against Donald Trump.